Oh boy. Come here, big guy. I wanted to catch a big pike, and I got one. It helps when you go fishing to bring your tackle bag, because you put it somewhere different in your car than normal, and then you completely forgot it and went fishing. So, back to the car. Basically already ripped a hole in my pants and I still can't get the thing off. Alright, this is what's not fun about kayak fishing. Wind picked up. Can't fish where I want to fish. I have to pedal all the way back to where I want to, and then I'm gonna fly by where I want to fish. Aggressive little guy, aren't you?